Before we dive into this, let's see if we can get 5,000 likes on this video. That would be awesome. A few weeks ago, I got an email from someone claiming to be representing the Krita project, which is the free and open source illustration app. Now, I love Krita, and I've talked about the project on this channel a couple times. So when I got an email from Krita.io, I was excited. But then I read the email. Welcome to Krita. Hey, take a moment of your time with my message, thank you. Krita team wants to promote their product in your media space. Krita is an application for image creation and image manipulation. We focus on painting, illustration, concept art, and other creative work. This is a short and incomplete list of the most important features Krita provides. Krita provides an OpenGL-based canvas in addition to an unaccelerated canvas. Would you like to consider integrating a 30 to 45 second promo into your media space? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube? Can we consider that? Cheers, Krita, Digital Painting Studio. Well, naturally, I was skeptical. So I went to Krita's Twitter account and I found that they had been made aware of a scam like this going around. Now, I have the funnier version of the scam email that went out. The one that they have on their website is less funny. Hello, dear. Please give me a moment of your time. Krita is eager to collaborate with you. And then it's basically the same thing. So with all that being said, I had to reply to see where it would go. I got this in response. Thank you for your interest in promoting Krita. We appreciate your support. Briefly, we are considering the following promotion option: 45 to 35 second mention on your YouTube video, Facebook post, Instagram story. How much does 30 to 45 seconds of video on your YouTube channel cost? Instagram story, Facebook post? First, you need to register as a Krita partner. You will need to download the app on Windows and register it. getkrita.com/krita-desktop. After the registration process is complete, you need to provide us with 1. The email address that the account was registered. What account? Partner ID, which you can find in the application. What? A convenient method of payment. We don't pay in cryptocurrency. Wow, okay. Payment information and a contact number for calling. After registration and successful verification as a partner of the Krita, you will get a prepayment in the amount of 50% of the total amount. Next, after we receive all the necessary information, one of Krita marketing department operators will call you. Would it be convenient for you to contact us via Zoom WhatsApp? The rest of the amount you will receive after publishing the video on your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. All payments are made strictly on a contractual basis. I'm also attaching a list to a media bank containing variations of icons, screenshots, and instances of previously promoted videos. getkrita.com/mediapack, the link is now dead. The contents of this letter are confidential. They are addressed only to the named recipient. Oops. And there was also this almost convincing looking image attached that shows their pricing structure based on the number of subscribers your channel has. According to this, I would be qualified for $350 per integration. Needless to say, this is not a legitimate representative of Krita. This is a ransomware attempt. These emails are from Krita.io, and they were masquerading as Krita. If you went to Krita.io, it actually would redirect you to the proper Krita website, which is, a clever touch. But needless to say, Krita.io was not owned or controlled by the people who run Krita. But now it seems that Inkscape, the free and open source vector editor, has become victim to the same kind of scam. And I have to give just the tiniest amount of respect to the people who did the Krita scam, because they at least did a little bit to try and make it look legitimate. These Inkscape guys, no, they don't care at all. They literally are just sending plain text emails from manager@inkscape.live, which is a parked domain that was registered at Hostinger. Anyway, the email reads, "Hello, you have been contacted by Inkscape. We are very interested in integration on your video platform. Inkscape is a professional vector graphics editor on Linux, Windows, and macOS. It is free and open source. If you are interested, please contact us. Regards, Inkscape. Period." So naturally, I had to reply. "Hi there, I'm very interested in working with Inkscape as I use it all the time. What kind of integration are you proposing?" Then Ruby replied, still at the manager@inkscape.live. "Hello, we're glad you contacted us. To accelerate our cooperation with you, please read our promotional video, as well as read the contract. Then we will discuss the advance payment and the date of the commercial," with a link to the file, a password for the archive, we look forward to hearing from you. So I downloaded the promotional video and I read it like they asked me to with a hex editor. Unfortunately, there's nothing overly conspicuous or juicy to find in here though. It is padded with, a billion zeros or whatever. So I uploaded the file to ClamAV for analysis. Now, honestly, I wish that I had more to report for you guys. I wish that I could expose these ransomware criminals and help bring them to justice. But unfortunately, all I can do is raise awareness about this so that, other open source projects don't happen to have something similar happen like this. I mean, it's kind of outside of anyone's control, really. But just stay vigilant and don't fall for these kind of attacks. Oh, and I did reply to Ruby. I've read these videos, read the contract, and I'm ready to do the integration. You will pay me $350 per integration, seeing as I have 70,000 subscribers. I've yet to hear back. If you believe in the work that I'm doing and you want to help support this show, you can become a YouTube member or a patron using the links down below. It all makes a world of difference to me. I wouldn't be able to do this show if it wasn't for my supporters, so thanks guys. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.